students and parents. I'm Kristie Lim, one of the Oratory chefs at Master Speakers, concocting the recipes that will guide you to master the art of public speaking. With academic roots that stretch from the National University of Singapore to the University of London, my journey led me to the realm of education fueled by a belief in its transformative power. I'm a certified professional in early childhood education, the founding principal of My Stretcher, and a holder of the professional certificate in communication skills from Trinity College, London. I view public speaking as an integral part of personal and professional development. At Master Speakers, one of the holistic arms of My Stretcher, our greatest joy will come from the blossoming transformation of our students into compelling storytellers, impactful presenters, and confident communicators, both in school and out of it. It is my privilege to be a part of this process, creating the recipe that will mold and shape these budding speakers. Now, whether you're a novice stepping onto stage for the very first time or an experienced speaker looking to sharpen your skills, we are here to help you unlock your true potential. Through our specially crafted Master Speakers modules, you'll learn not just the mechanics, but the heart of public speaking. Connecting with your audience, bring your stories to life, and leaving a lasting impact. So, are you prepared to discover the power of your voice, to captivate the audiences, and to leave a lasting impression? We eagerly await the opportunity to guide you on this transformative journey at Master Speakers.